mukbang sa banyo. We have Greek salad. This looks so juicy. I'm so excited. Thank you, Lord, for this food. Kain tayo. Wala tayong onion, but that's okay. Sagana naman tayo sa ibang bagay. You can't accuse me of faking this. I literally crave it at 3 a.m. Sobrang messed up ng sleeping schedule ko na natutulog ako at 7 a.m. 6-7 a.m. Tapos nagigising ako ng 12 and then matutulog ulit ako tapos magigising ulit ako around 2-3. It's really not good. Ang pangit sa pakiramdam. Tulad nito, alas 3 na ako na lang yung gising. Kasi yung work ko dati, yung isa kong work dati, nag-resign ako, I think, over 4 months ago. Graveyard shift talaga ako doon. And I was working graveyard shift for almost a decade, guys. Ganun na ako katagal nag-work. Kaya yung katawan ko nasanay sa ganitong oras. I'm trying so hard para i-reset. Nagagawa ko siya 1-2 days, pero bumabalik pa rin yung katawan ko. So, if you guys have any tips, that would be really helpful. I think this is gonna be a long video, so samahan niyo akong ubusin to sa next video.